goes through here. That looks like it should be good enough. And you just close this part down. See? And then your hand goes through here. And you have a good grip. Of course, you can make this tighter. It needs to be a little tighter. But see, you can adjust it from here too to make this tighter. But you get the idea how this is nice. You get the idea how that works. Okay. And let's see what else is in the box. In the bag, rather. Okay. Okay, this is the charger. The Samsung. And here's the spare battery, extra battery that comes with it, so you have a spare battery. And it goes, well, okay, you see this and that, so this has to line up with that, so we turn it this way, and so you put it in like that and press it down. Okay, that's where your cable goes in, which, okay, you have to use the USB cable that comes with your camera, and you plug it into there, and you charge it. Simple as that. Very nice. And you just pull up in there, and that takes it out. Very nice. And here's the bag. Okay. Okay, it has these two dividers where you can divide up the bag however you need the space to put whatever in there. Let's see. Let's see the camera. Okay, you sit it right like that. And really, you probably just need, I'm adjusting these dividers. You get two dividers. But you can adjust it, and then you can put your accessories in there. Okay. You can put your lens in, and your hood for your lens. You still have space. You have this pocket here, which has, okay, you can't see it, but there's some little pockets in here. Little slots that you can put other accessories. Well, you can't see it. Let me see if I can zoom out. Well, there's little slots in here where you can put other accessories. You can't see in here. Oh, there you go. See? It's very nice bag. And you close it up with the little magnet closures. Very nice. And strap. Very nice. Okay, so that's all that I got with the camera, and those are my accessories for now. I'll be getting more. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, have a good day.